Hey guys, what's up? I'm putting diamond cut on my motor. I have a Victory Vision. You can show the bike. It's all naked right now because I'm getting it painted, getting all the panels painted. But I figured I'd do some work on it. And I always like the Arla Ness versions of these bikes because the engines, the fins are diamond cut and it just looks really cool. So I figured I'd try it and see if I could do it. So I got this here. Let's see if you can see that. It's a Dremel tool, but I got this metal bit and it's just a round cutting something or other. I don't know what you'd call it. But I did, if you show down here, I'll show you the other side where I first started. It didn't turn out as good as I'd like it to turn out because I was doing it wrong. What I was doing is I was having right here, I was putting the cutting tool right there on the very edge or on the very end and trying to hold it still. And what would happen is because this thing is spinning so fast, sometimes it would slip and go up here like that and it would scrape it up and I had to do some touch up. Near the end of the fin of the cylinder over there, I figured out the way to do this is like this. You go on not on the very edge, but you go on this corner, right on the corner, and you go on an up and down. Make sure that the tool is up and down, and that gives you a nice, perfect little round notch, and it looks better that way. And I haven't messed up, so you can see where that's just really smooth. At the end of this video, I'll show you the other side where I first started, and you'll see the trial and error side, and this is the perfected side. But let me show you how it works. Let's turn this on. Stop because I noticed my bit was sliding up. But the idea here is you don't want to go up and down with this. What you want is you want to get it right on the edge and you want to press and you want to get a nice ball because this is a ball shape. Once you get that ball, it smooths it out. You don't see any scrapings, and when you back up from it, it looks like a diamond. But that's how you do it, and this is what I have the rest of this to do, and then I have this cylinder over here to do. It's going to take a while, but when I'm done, as you can see up here, it looks really nice. If you can come over to the other side, I'll show you what the finished product looks like. Go that way. If you show right here, this is where I was doing it wrong. It didn't turn out too bad, but you can see that it's not perfect. They're not all even, and by the time I got down here, I figured it out. And on this one, I really figured it out because all of them really look uniform and it looks really good. So it takes a while. Let me show me. It takes a while. You have to have some patience, you have to have a steady hand, but if you like this kind of look on your bike, you can do it yourself. All you need is a Dremel. You need that bit, that round cutting bit with the edge on it. I'm sure if you want to get an oval shaped or a cone shaped bit, you'll get a different cut. You may want that, but if you have some time and some patience, and I think I spent $20 on that Dremel tool. It's not got it at Harbor Freight. It's really not that expensive. You can get this look on your bike, and it's you can do it yourself for free. Okay, so just thought I'd let you know. Once the bike is all painted and I get all the panels back on and I finish the diamond cut, I'm going to take another video and show the whole finished process. I want to thank my wife for doing the video. She's the greatest wife in the world. If you think you have the greatest wife in the world, you don't. Go home, tell your wife to step her game up because I have the greatest wife in the world. All right, guys. Till next time. Peace.